Hello student, this is Surbhi here from Krishna classes and today I am going to take the class of 9th chapter 8 motion and this is the continue video of the motion. So now let's start the topic of motion. What is the motion? You know about the motion as we described motion in my previous video. So for the knowledge of the motion you can watch my previous video also. Now come on the topic, what is the motion? Motion, you know, when any object change their position, then you can say that that object is in the motion. Now there are so many types of motion. You also saw in my previous video. Here our topic is motion along a straight line. This is our topic. So start motion along a straight line. What is the motion along a straight line? This is the simplest type of motion. This is the simplest type of the motion along the straight line. With the help of example we can understand it very easily. So with the help of example, motion along a straight line we can understand very easily. How? Let's start to understand our topic. An object start the journey from the O. Any object who is start the journey from O. A, B and C represent the position of the object. A, B, C and represent the position of the object at different instants. A, B, C is the position of the object. These are the position of the object. These are the position of object. And start the journey from O. Start the journey from O. So this is the reference point. So this is the reference point. Reference point. Okay. So any object start its journey from O and reaches at the A position. Now again come back. Now again first he start from O and reaches A position. Okay. Now come back from A and come on the C position. Okay. So figure is the position of an object on straight line. This is the figure of position of an object on straight line. What happened here? The object moves through C and B and reaches A. The objects move through C and B and reaches A and move back, then reaches C and move back, then reaches C through B. Then how many kilometers he covered? So distance is equal to, what is the distance? What is the distance? Is equal to OA plus OC. Last point is C now. Then OA plus OC is equal to OA how many kilometers? 60 plus OC. OC is what? Not 25, not. How many kilometers? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So, /60 plus 35 is equal to 95. Total distance covered by 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 95 kilometer. So, this is the total distance covered by an object which start its journeying point from O and reaches at A, then again move back from A and reaches at C through the B. So here distance total is 60 and when move back then 5 is here, 5, 5, 10, 5, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So total distance move back when this is the 35 and total distance covered by 95 kilometer. So this is the motion along the straight line. This is the simplest motion. I repeat my class again. What is the simplest motion? This is the straight line motion. With the help of an example, we can understand it very easily. We take an object which start his journey from the point O and reaches at A. Okay, then again it starts from A and reaches at C. Then it move back through. So the distance from the object from point O to A is OA and A to C is OC, and 60 plus 35 kilometer is equal to 95 kilometer is the total distance. OA plus OC is not AC. OA plus AC is equal to 60 plus 35 is equal to 95 kilometer is total distance covered by an object in straight line. So this is my class. Hope you like it. Thank you so much. You can take a screenshot and also write in your notebook. Thank you so much for the watching. This is Surbhi here. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.